Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing doing our rigid What's Inside the Box series, and today we're doing these rigid 41615 light brackets. These are for the 2017-18 Ford Super Duty and 2018 Ford F-150. Basically these are what comes inside this box. You get a driver's bracket and a passenger's bracket, and they fit OEM right inside the bumper, as you can see in that picture here. You get all the stainless steel hardware with it, and these are made to be used with the D series lights that Richard offers. So they're going to give you a nice clean factory look. It's a nice coated, protect it from rusting, obviously blend in with the bumper. When you throw it on with the black lights, it's going to look real nice, OEM factory look. Super bright and top quality stuff. As always, we welcome your comments down below. All feedback is welcome, good or bad. And of course, if you enjoyed our video, we will be coming out with more, so be sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon right next to it, so that way you get notified for future videos. If you're interested in any Rigid products, be sure to send us an email. We have coupon codes for Rigid. And of course, if you have any questions or you need help with anything, give us a call, send us an email. You can check out our website as well at hardracing.com.